In this tutorial, I just want to show you a trick that you can use to transpose your Excel functions and formulas with ease. So here we have an example where we have a total for each day going up top to bottom, and here we have the same thing going left to right. As you can see, it is the same function as over here. So to do this, so to go ahead and do this, we can first highlight the range of functions that we want to transpose. So Shift Control down arrow to highlight this. And now what we want to do is we want to replace the equal sign that's in each function with something that is not an equal sign. So to do this, we do Control F, and instead of find, we want to replace. We want to replace the equal sign with something like an X, for example. And we then want to click Replace All. And as you can see, it made 9 replacements, and as you can see, each of these sum functions has the equal sign has been replaced with an X. Now here, we now want to copy and paste the formulas right here over to where we want them to be transposed, so call it P5, for example. We want to paste special, so you can right click on paste special, and then paste special again, and we want to transpose. And as you can see, now all of our functions have been transposed, and we then want to highlight the range and then do Control F, and then we want to replace the X that we put in place the equal sign back with the equal sign, and then want to replace all. And as you can see in the highlighted range, now all these are functions again, and we can go ahead and replace these two if we want to with some X with the equal sign. Click Replace All. As you can see, replace those 9. And if we want to get the dates back at the top, we can do equals transpose. And then we can just highlight this arrange right here, and we can do close parentheses. And as you can see, now these values are transposed. As you can see, they're numbers. We can do Alt H and S, Enter, and now it's got formatted as a date. I know what you're thinking, well, why did we not use a transpose function to start with? Well, the reason we didn't use a transpose function to start with is because the transpose function just grabs the values and not the function itself. So if we highlight into these cells, you just see the transpose function, and it gets the values, but here in this example, we want to have the actual functions going from left to right instead of top to bottom. So the first trick actually transposes the functions, whereas the transpose function just transposes the value of whatever range we highlight. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.